everyone! Today I'll be showing you how you can create this beautiful macrame pattern using half hitch knots. Let's get started. Our first step is to attach 2 ropes to a dowel rod with a lark's head knot. Now I will take the 2 cords here on the far left and tie 4 alternating half hitch knots. To tie my first half hitch knot, I will take the cord here on the right side first to form the knot. Alternate and take the left side to cross over to form your next knot. Repeat this 2 more times. Now repeat the same process with the 2 cords on the right. This time though, we will start with the cord on the left. Now we will take the 2 cords directly in the middle and tie 4 alternating half hitch knots as before. I'll start with the cord on the right. Go back to the 2 cords on the left and repeat the same steps we did up here, starting on the right side. Now repeat on the 2 cords on the right, starting on the left side. You can repeat this pattern over and over until you have reached the desired length, starting to the left, then the right, and then the 2 cords in the middle. Now to tie this off, if you would like to secure it, I will be making a square knot. So I'm just going to take all 4 cords here and tie 1 square knot directly below the last 2 sets of half hitch knots. Just like that. Alternatively, you can also leave the cords just hanging as is, or you can tie these together with a gathering knot or an overhand knot or any other stopper knot. This pattern is great for plant hangers. You can use this in wall hangings or as a bracelet. You can even use this for a belt or a bag handle or maybe even a headband. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.